Well, good morning. Let's talk real quick. These are the things that will be gone over, collected, all those wonderful things. Um, so today is just kind of let's get caught up. I'll go over a couple of you I didn't get to yesterday about where your grades were. I want to make sure we're good with that. So I will on Tuesday. I am going to collect the following. And I have a sneeze that's coming, so bear with me. Yes, thanks, guys and girls. All right, so page 20, 21, 22, I will check off. And we've already gone over it, yes?
Yes.
So you should have that. Make sure your names don't collect it today. And then what was assigned last night was page 23, 24. Okay, that was last night. So I'm not going to mark that off yet, but Tuesday I will. Okay? What I want you to do with page 23 and 24, because you know this is all correct because we did it in class, yes? This one, I want you to double check to make sure that your stuff is matching up with people around you. And if not, try and figure it out through it. Is that okay so far? Anything hard about those? Okay, and then page 25, 26, this is new. You have the period to work on it. Okay? And you can work with each other. Now, working with each other isn't one person sitting there in the corner and 12 of you socializing. And then, just so you know, this will be due on, so these will all be collected on Tuesday. So, on Wednesday, if you happen to get done, awesome, and you wanted to get a start on something, on Wednesday, we will work on pages 27 and 28, okay? And that's kind of a practice test. On Thursday, you will have so on Wednesday we will give you the take-home test, which would be due then on Thursday.
What's a take-home test?
Yeah. So how our take-home tests work for CP Algebra 1 is you work with whomever you'd like. It's very similar to what the test will be. So like if the take-home test had x plus 5 equals 6 as the first problem, the regular test might have x plus 3 equals 10. So very similar type of problem. So if you feel really comfortable about it, we expect you to be able to work with each other, figure it out. You just can't ask me. You can go ask other teachers. You could ask, if you have a tutor, to go over it. So it's like a review on steroids because it'll be worth like points towards your test.
Wait, so the take-home test, is that worth a grade?
Yes. This take-home test that you will take, that you submit on Thursday, is worth 25% of the test grade. So, does that have more weight than homework? Yeah. Okay? So, if you're like, oh, I didn't do the take-home test, no big deal. That means the highest you can get on your actual test grade is a 75%. Okay? So then on Thursday, we have the in-class test. Okay? So this has the more meat. This is going to be worth 75% of the test grade. Okay? So does that kind of make sense?
Yep.
Does that seem to fall into, okay, I think I could do that? Yeah. All right, thumbs up. So here's the nice thing. Wednesday, we'll go over the practice test, and I'll probably just spot check it and tell you, just turn it in with your take-home test. That way you can take it home. And then the take-home test that we give you on Wednesday. So basically on Wednesday, my idea is, you have page 27, 28, which you can work on today as well. On Wednesday, we'll make sure we go over that. And then after I've gone over the page 27, 28, which is a test itself that comes out of the book, the take-home test will come out to you, and you will be able to work on it. And the nice thing is you'll have the opportunity in class going, oh, okay, I think I remember this, working with each other. So Thursday when you come in ready to take the in-class version of the test, things that you will give me are, here's the take-home test. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get points in on this without ever having to pick this up. I'll just come around with the computer and put it in for you. And then on Thursday, you have the take-home test. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So that's kind of things of next week. Nice thing is we don't have school Monday, so make sure if you wake up early Monday morning, roll over, go back to sleep. Okay? Am I collecting anything right now?
No.
Mm-mm. So I want you to hang on to this because this should be done. And it should be correct if you made your modifications. This would have been assigned last night. Make sure you're getting it done. This is similar to these two, so work on this today. If you happen to get all done, you can go ahead and start on the practice test. Got it? So does everyone know what you need to work on?